What happens if you eat 2 garlic cloves daily? Did you know that consuming garlic has significant benefits for your health? Hated by some, loved by others, known for its distinctive flavor and odor, garlic is one of the most popular condiments in global cuisine and an affordable superfood that is accessible to everyone. But what exactly makes garlic so incredible? Why do numerous health experts regard it as a natural remedy? The answer to garlic's benefits is quite extensive. Garlic not only helps combat symptoms of common ailments like the flu, but also plays a role in preventing more complex diseases, including cancer. It also contains allicin, a compound with magical properties, acting as an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial agent. So brace yourself, as today, you'll uncover the scientifically proven advantages of consuming 2 garlic cloves daily. And prepare to be surprised, as garlic's benefits extend far beyond what you might expect. This edible plant is part of the allium family. It's closely related to the onion and is renowned for its extensive use in cooking, thanks to its robust flavor and distinctive odor. However, throughout ancient history, the primary role of garlic was in its medicinal properties. The Greeks, Romans, Chinese, and even the Egyptians all used it for its potent healing abilities. However, today, many of us use it, but not as frequently and often in the wrong way. It's important to understand the mechanisms that activate all the beneficial properties of garlic in order to utilize it and reap all the benefits it can bring. Now, let's talk about how to activate garlic, what procedures you need to follow to maximize its full benefits. Stay tuned to discover 8 scientific benefits of garlic. Plus, we'll reveal the best ways to incorporate 2 garlic cloves daily into your diet. And believe me, benefit number 7 will surprise you. Benefit number 1, improves immunity. Many of us encounter respiratory issues such as the flu and colds throughout the year. However, a simple remedy might be closer than you think. Consuming 2 cloves of garlic daily. Rich in allicin, garlic boosts immunity and offers antioxidant benefits. These qualities are crucial for strengthening the immune system and warding off long-term illnesses. Furthermore, garlic's anti-inflammatory, decongestant, and expectorant properties bolster immune health. A study by the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition at the University of Florida found that a daily dose of garlic extract, 2.56 grams, can reduce the duration of cold or flu symptoms by 61%. Therefore, incorporating raw garlic into your diet could be remarkably beneficial, especially if you're prone to catching colds. 2. Reduces blood pressure and improves heart health. In addition to strengthening immunity, regularly consuming garlic is a powerful tool for cardiovascular health. Garlic helps to reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood, as it inhibits their oxidation, thus reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the buildup of calcium and fat plaques in the arteries. Another proven benefit of garlic is its ability to help control blood pressure. A clinical study by scientists at King Khalid University in Saudi Arabia demonstrated that garlic extract can be as effective as atenolol, a medication commonly prescribed for hypertension. This benefit stems from garlic's anti-hypertensive properties, which relax the blood vessel walls, facilitating smoother blood flow. 3. Prevents dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Garlic's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, chiefly provided by allicin and sulfur, along with its selenium and choline content, make regular consumption essential for protecting brain cells from damage by free radicals. These properties are pivotal in enhancing memory and aiding the learning process, thereby contributing significantly to overall brain health. Garlic's combined effects in reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, coupled with its antioxidant capabilities, may play a role in preventing common neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. 4. Improves athletic performance. Interestingly, garlic has a history of use in ancient cultures for combating fatigue and enhancing work capacity. It was even utilized by Olympic athletes in ancient Greece, believed to boost their performance and physical conditioning. In modern times, research supports this ancient belief. Individuals with heart diseases who included garlic in their diet experienced a 12% reduction in peak heart rate and a notable improvement in exercise capacity. Additionally, studies by the Health Research Institute in Japan suggest that garlic can help reduce exercise-induced fatigue, highlighting its potential benefits for those involved in intense physical activities. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next benefit, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. 5. Improves bone health. Garlic also contains nutrients that act as building blocks for strong and healthy bones, such as zinc, vitamin B6, manganese, and vitamin C, as well as antioxidants and enzymes that assist in the formation of bones and connective tissues, the absorption of calcium, and bone metabolism. A special note to women. Osteoporosis is a common concern, affecting 1 in every 3 women over the age of 50, leading to increased fragility and fracture risk in bones. However, there is encouraging news. A study conducted with menopausal women showed that consuming 2 grams of raw garlic daily can reduce the estrogen deficit, thereby minimizing bone loss. 6. Contributes to skin and hair health. In addition to the benefits already discussed, garlic is a remarkable asset for maintaining vibrant skin. Its array of antioxidants shields our cells from free radicals, which are culprits behind wrinkles and other aging signs. Allicin, a key component in garlic, not only protects the skin but also fights bacteria, making it an effective treatment for acne scars and various skin conditions. Beyond all the benefits we've discussed so far, garlic is also an incredible ally for vibrant skin. Its arsenal of antioxidants protects our cells against free radicals, responsible for wrinkles and other signs of aging. Allicin, present in this food, not only defends the skin but also combats bacteria, making it a powerful weapon against acne scars and other skin conditions. But the advantages don't stop there. Garlic, being rich in sulfur and keratin, both essential for healthy hair, promotes hair growth and strengthens its natural defenses. Benefit 7. Prevents colon cancer. Another benefit of this superfood is that it can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as stomach and colorectal cancer. A team led by Lenore Arab at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill reviewed 18 studies focusing on garlic consumers. Their analysis of 6 studies revealed that regular consumption of garlic, both raw and cooked, could lower the risk of colorectal cancer by 10% to nearly 50%. Furthermore, 4 other studies indicated that the risk of stomach cancer was halved among those with a higher intake of garlic. 8. Fights viruses, fungi, and bacteria. Last but not least, garlic is one of the best antibiotics ever created by nature. It exhibits a potent antimicrobial action that inhibits the growth and proliferation of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Additionally, garlic plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body and eliminating pathogenic bacteria that can disrupt the intestinal flora. This makes it extremely valuable in supplementing the treatment of worm infections and maintaining overall digestive health. How to safely incorporate garlic into your diet. While garlic can be consumed at any time of the day, several studies have suggested that the most beneficial time is during fasting, particularly right after waking up. The primary advantage of eating garlic on an empty stomach lies in its detoxifying and purifying capabilities. This helps stimulate the body's elimination of toxins and waste, facilitates the expulsion of worms, and aids in preventing illnesses such as typhoid. Garlic offers numerous reasons for being included in your diet, extending beyond its rich content of manganese, phosphorus, vitamin B6, calcium, vitamin C, potassium, and selenium. It can be incorporated in various forms, such as raw, in garlic powder, or as garlic oil. Garlic is a staple in many savory dishes, including soups and sauces, and its robust flavor is excellent for enhancing otherwise bland recipes. To fully enjoy the benefits of garlic, it is best consumed raw. While cooking garlic is not harmful, it is estimated that up to 90% of its beneficial properties can be lost through the cooking process. A tip to enhance the health benefits of garlic is to chop or crush it and then let it rest for about 10 minutes before using. This process increases the amount of allicin, the key component responsible for its properties. Potential side effects of garlic. It's important to be aware that excessive garlic consumption can lead to digestive issues such as cramps, gas, vomiting, diarrhea, as well as headaches, kidney pain, and dizziness. Moreover, the use of raw garlic, particularly as a natural remedy, is not recommended for newborns, during post-surgical recovery, and in cases of low blood pressure or stomach pain. It should also be avoided in instances of hemorrhages or when taking blood-thinning medications. Garlic is also advised to be used cautiously by pregnant and breastfeeding women, particularly in large quantities or in concentrated supplement forms. This caution is due to potential abortive effects, and because some studies suggest that garlic consumption can alter the smell of breast milk. While the taste of raw garlic might not be appealing to everyone, considering its numerous health benefits makes it worthwhile. As an alternative, you can try making garlic water. It's simple to prepare and ensures you receive all the benefits of this powerful food. For preparation, place 2 peeled, crushed, or chopped garlic cloves in 100 milliliter of water and let it rest either overnight or for at least 10 hours. To enhance the flavor of this recipe, here's a golden tip. Add rosemary, lemon, and ginger. These natural ingredients not only improve the taste, but also offer additional health benefits, complementing the effects of garlic water. Rosemary is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and it also supports intestinal function. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, serves as another anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent, crucial for immune system health and aiding in iron absorption. Additionally, ginger is beneficial in treating colds and fighting infections. So now you know. Regularly consuming 2 cloves of garlic daily can significantly boost your health over time. However, if you have any doubts or health concerns, it's always wise to consult a doctor. And now, we're eager to hear from you. Were you already aware of all these benefits of garlic? Do you have any unique recipes or ways of using it? Please share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this information useful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Activate the notification bell for more content, and feel free to share this video with friends and family. Remember, when we care, we take action. To gain further insights into naturally healing your body and preventing undesirable illnesses, you may also find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right now that I believe you'll enjoy. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next natural remedy video. Bye!